Welcome everyone, welcome to Brian Bolch as another chat to discuss all things crypto and DeFi and also Web3 and the occasional AI when it's related to the Web3 and the crypto world. So guys, today I'm going to discuss a little bit about a recent catastrophe that happened to Kevin Rose. Some of you may know Kevin Rose over the scene. He has been in the tech world industry for probably over 25 years or more. I first come across him back in 2000, I think, when he was on Tech TV, a cable TV station dedicated to computers and computer world in the early days of 2000. And then he went on to different things and Digg and went and worked for Google and has got into the startup world and have been an investor and so forth. Anyway, you can, if you don't know about Kevin, you can take a look at his Twitter feed. That should certainly help you out. Kevin Rose, at Kevin Rose on Twitter, and you can get to know him a little bit better. But anyway, he's in the Web3 world right now and in the highly invested into the NFT world. And he got hacked on January the 26th, it was. Well, this is when he put out the statement. I was just hacked, and stay tuned for more details. Please avoid buying any squiggles until we get them flagged. Just lost 25 plus a few other NFTs and autographic NFTs. Okay, so he started to explore out and look for different things to help with security. As we know, we're really only in the beginning of the Web3, the DeFi and the NFT world. So it's very important that we look at securitizing and helping ourselves. So Kevin Rose put out that he tested out one product we're going to look at is Stelo. It's one product that he's tested. We're going to test out a few others over the coming sessions, and you can let me know what you think about them. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is not security advice. This is purely for educational and infotainment purposes only. So if you'd like to be part of the community and test out these products, please use your own due diligence and go ahead and look at the team that's behind these, developing these products. And if you think, therefore, you'd like to test them out, go ahead. But it's your choice. You're the one who takes the choice to download these products. And if you do, then we'd love for you, being part of the community here, to share with us how do you find Stelo, because over the coming sessions, as I said, we're going to look at other products that Kevin Rose has tested out. And of course, it doesn't mean that because he comes up with a certain product that's the end all of end all. There's many products out there. There's many, as we know, in the antivirus world, in the PC world, the standardized Web2 world. There's many different antivirus products out there and security products, and including in the VPN world. So, I want you to be part of the community. So I'd love to hear your feedback if you go ahead and decide to download Stelo. So Stelo is an open source extension developer of API that makes crypto transactions safe, they say, from phishing and easy to understand. Is backed by a few startup venture capitals, and so you can go ahead and look at Stellar Labs. I'll put a link down below, and you can make up your mind if you want to be part of the active community here, and giving your thoughts and opinions and the perspective about different security apps that help our journey along this wild, wild west of Web3 and the NFT world and crypto world we live in right now. So the Stella goes on to say that here, a screenshot with Kevin, we have reverse engineered the signature that Kevin Rose signed and passed it through Stella, they said. And if Kevin Rose had Stella, this is what he would have seen, okay? This is what they're saying at the time of his being hacked. If he had used Stelo, he would have got this information. So to simply say, Stelo believes this transaction is malicious. Malicious signature, warning, warning, red. So it's pretty bold, pretty simple, and that's what we want. We want tools that are effective. We want them to be simple so we can grow this community into a large community around the world. Okay, so if you'd like to wait, we'll have a look at the product, and I'll download it and we'll have a look. Okay, we're at the Stelo Labs main website now. As I said before, this is the product that was suggested to Kevin Rose after he had been infiltrated and scammed out of some of his NFTs. You can go look at their page. They've got a blog and a careers page, API docs, so you can, as a developer, build in sync and community with them. And here is the download to the Chrome, and that's what we'll download, the Chrome app. I'll put the links down below in the show notes so you can go and test it out, as I said. And what else do they say on their page? Protection for every transaction, DeFi and swaps, NFT marketplace, they say. Malicious contract signatures. It does it all. This is what they're saying, okay? They're saying that they will protect you from DeFi and swaps and NFT marketplace. They'll give you warnings. And Stella can never touch your crypto, they say. Stella works alongside your favorite wallet, and it never accesses your seed phrase or your private keys. As I said, you must do your due diligence with every product. Just don't take my word for it. Consult the experts and do your due diligence. Very important. And we'd love to have you part of the community here and getting your thoughts and opinions and perspectives. That's what's important. That's what makes the community, and that's what empowers each of us to do whatever we want to do as being part of the community here in Web 3.3 and the crypto NFT DeFi world. Okay, so they go on and say how Stella works. Stella intercepts all transactions before they reach your wallet. Number 2, it goes on to stimulate an asset changes. Stella stimulates the transaction and lets you know what's leaving and entering your wallet. So that's what it goes on and says. It analyzes risk. Stella risk engine analyzes the transactions to prevent you from getting phished or scammed. So that's basic about the product, guys. Like I said, if you're a developer or if you're building out stuff in the Web3 world, you might like to even use their API, which you can get a handle on. But for the everyday layman person, we'll download the add-on for Stelo for Chrome. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once you install the plugin, you'll see that the popularity of the plugin on Google Play Store there, and you can see comments, so that also helps with your due diligence over the time period of me downloading it. There's over 2,000 people downloaded the Stelo product app, and then you want to make sure that you pin it to your pinned apps up at the top of your browser. I'm using the Brave browser. I highly recommend it. The Brave browser, it's very crypto friendly and very highly security version of Chrome, and just make sure you pin that, and then it'll go on to say connect your wallet, and then you'll want to connect with your wallet. Coinbase wallet they recommend, or the Metamask. In this case we're using the Metamask, and the wallet we're using, connect. As I said, you use your due diligence. Okay, so now move the screen across so everyone can see it. And you can see that it's now requesting to send a transaction. This is to test out the Stelo product. Check the risk factors, reject the transaction in your wallet to move on. Okay. Stelo shows you all the reasons why a transaction may be risky, like the one below, and you have not transacted with this address before. Make sure that you're sending to the correct recipient, and then it goes on, or reject. So you can continue or reject. Okay, so Stelo will open on every transaction before they reach your wallet. Okay, so hopefully this is a bit of a helpful tool. Works with Metamask and Coinbase. So go ahead and download it if you'd like to be part of the community. We'd love to hear your thoughts and perspective. Until next time, keep on trailblazing.